Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, hello, 左先生 BBAOCKKJTS. Hello, Andy Feng. Okay, SKP Resources next G. Okay, Triran Sankon YTL Power from my Penang. Jordan. Hello, good evening. Okay, hello Anthony. Okay, mid-year Bursa chip sales. Okay, S1, S2, R1, R2 for Maybank, RHB, Eon Credit. Okay, all banking. Hello Jordan. Hello. Okay, HSI 9988. Any signal? Okay, we CC. Okay, Choi Liang. Penta Netgate. MLCB, Atmore, PPB, Grey Tech. Okay, no problem. Like and share. Yeah, need your help to click, like, and also share this link lah. Okay, so we can get more viewers to tune in for our last few session for this month until further notice. Okay, so yeah, today content let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay. Let me know any stocks you want me to review in the comment box. If possible, help me to share lah, so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, so disclaimer, all our sharing is not a bias or recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, let's see. Okay, so far US side for me these 2 weeks actually market don't have big movement lah. Okay, more like sideways macam ini saja. Okay, so yeah, and Dow Jones macam yesterday tried to break below 44k lah, but currently futures is rebounding, so we need to see by end of day whether the price able to stay above 44k or not, or they break down below 44k. Okay, this is very crucial for Dow Jones. Okay, if they break down, we may expect some further retracement. Okay, so how about the Nasdaq? Okay, S&P. Okay, S&P closing slightly bearish as well. If you look into recent performance, actually S&P is in a sideways only lah. Okay, either break up or break down only. Okay, 6,003 or 6,002. Okay, either break above or break below. Then we only have a clearer direction. And for the Nasdaq as well, yesterday closing not able to break out above 23k, and they closed below 23k. So yeah, so we see by end of day today whether the Nasdaq able to clear 23k or not. If yes, we may see further upside on the Nasdaq. Okay, if compared three of them, I think Dow Jones is a weaker. Okay, weakest than Nasdaq and S&P and Nasdaq about the same lah. Okay, so market these 2 weeks I think not really have any direction in my opinion. Okay, more on sideways. And how about the oil price? Okay, oil price a little bit disappointed, as we can see on Monday they closed bearish, break below $67. Okay, currently they back to 65 zone now. So take note, 64, 65 is an important support zone for the US oil. Okay, so oil price. And how about the gold price? Okay, gold price also last Friday closing bullish, and Monday, Tuesday more on bearish. Okay, they come back to retest a 3300 lah. So take note on 3300 whether they can stay above. Okay, if stay above, I think short-term momentum is still pretty bullish, but if they break down, then we may see them to retest a 3280. Okay, this is a gold price. And how about cryptocurrency? Okay, for the Bitcoin, okay, on Monday they create a new all-time high against, is about 123k, but they close with a shooting star like candle. Okay, so yesterday as expected, some correction now, okay, or some profit taking activities, but it seems like they have a minor support at the 116k. Okay, this is a minor support, so stay above. I think they still have chance to re-challenge the all-time high. And for the Ethereum, okay, finally, okay, they had a breakout on last Thursday, which is about 2008 and 2008 lah. Okay, so this is a so-called cup and handle breakout already. So seems like Ethereum is rallying lah, okay, and yesterday break above 3000 and currently trading at 3164. Okay, so I think crypto market is pretty bullish at the moment. And on the other hand, okay, back to our local market. Okay, very disappointing. Okay, on Monday I do mention our market still looks okay lah, huh? And last week I think I also mentioned a crucial support for our FBMK LCI, which is a 1525. Okay, but already broken down. Okay, so for me it's not in a good shape already. Okay, so previously we have a rebound, okay, retest support, okay, bounce up but no strength. Okay, no strength to clear 1540 and they break down 1525. Now it's still diving in. Okay, so I think they might visit 1005 level lah. Okay, so yeah, psychology level and a crucial level lah, huh? 1005 is our FBMK LCI crucial support lah, huh? If they are unable to stay, I think they might go to 1470 or even lower. Okay, so yeah, this is an overall market sentiment point of view lah. Okay, local market is still quite weak in my opinion. Okay, and how about HSI? Okay, let's go for HSI first. Okay, HSI yesterday closing considered quite good lah. So we can see yesterday HSI break above the level I mentioned on Monday, 24.4k. Okay, they break above, and today they do rally up, okay, to 24.9k like that lah. But seems like they have some profit taking activities lah. So resistance turn support, take note on 24.4k. Okay, this is a crucial support. For crucial I would say it's more on the short term support for the HSI. Okay, if the price able to stay above 24.4k, I think yeah, challenge 25k is okay. Okay, they do have chance to challenge 25k. But if they go below 24.4k, then a bit susah lah, huh? Maybe they might need to have some rest. Okay, so let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, first one is a PBA. Okay, PBA, if you notice on the trend, okay, they do break down on January. They break down above 207 to 210 on January. And so means January until now, July, they already sideways for about more than 6 months plus already. Okay, but at least, okay, on the bright side is, okay, they not really sell down further lah. Okay, this is one of the bright side. So pending for them to break out above 210. Okay, if they are able to break out above 210 with volumes, okay, which is also considered breakout above 200 MAs, yeah, I think they do have chance to make a U-turn lah. Okay, by zooming in, we can see recently, okay, 9, 10, 11 of July, including yesterday, 15th of July, the average volume boleh tahan lah. Okay, at least the volume improves sikit. So this one, I would say, pending for the breakout. Okay, once they break out, then maybe we can see something lah. If no breakout, wait loh. Okay, you need to have a patience. But the setup, yeah, I think it's still pretty high chance. Okay, but we need a confirmation. Okay, we need a breakout as a confirmation. Okay, how about the OCK? Okay, OCK, I think on Monday we just reviewed, right? So they do have a good breakout above 420. Tuesday neutral, today another pump with higher volume. So for me, the overall performance, okay, so far so good lah. So maybe we can switch our support to 430. So 430, 420 turn into a crucial support for the OCK. Okay, momentum or boleh tahan. Okay, but you need to take note on your overhead resistance 460, 480. Okay, so this one also, let me put some remarks. Okay, so yep, next one is KJTS. Wow. Okay, actually also hit my target lah. Okay, I'm not sure why I set the target at 120 lah, but I assume previously using the Fibonacci to do a projection now. Okay, actually they already hit a 120 level. Okay, today attempt to break out 120 lah, go to 124, but by end of day they gonna press down. Okay, seems like they do have some profit taking activities over there. So depends on your intention. Okay, if you are short-term trader, of course, okay, protect profit or what lah. Okay, but if you are more to mid to long term, then or you want to do a swing trade, something like that, then you can use a 114 as your trading stop. Okay, as long as above 114, I think they are still alright, but below 114, then short term not so nice lah. Okay, so depends on why you are buying into this company. Okay, whether you are doing investment or what. Okay, by looking at previous pattern, you can see after they up for so much, they were sideways for a couple of months. Okay, now they also up already, so probably they were sideways. If they are unable to break above 120, I think they might sideways for a couple days or weeks like that. Okay, so but at least this counter is still in the uptrending lah. So just matter of earn more or earn lesser only ma, right? So how about the SKP resources? Okay, a bit struggle this one. Yeah, MACD also pointing down. Okay, this one, what we can see during April, we can see after the tariff things also lah, they found a bottom and rebounded up sharply. Okay, but when they rebounded, you can see they are not able to clear the 105. Okay, from May until now, July, they already struggle for so many months. They still not able to clear above 105. Something is wrong already. Okay, so yeah, even they have an attempt breakout, also not successful. Okay, so this one, the crucial level tentatively, I will see 960 lah. Okay, if they break down, I think very difficult for them to make a comeback. Okay, maybe they will go to 90 cents or even lower. Okay, so if they can get supported, maybe still got little bit chance lah. So take note, 960 is your crucial support at the moment. Okay, so how about the next G? Oh, this one keep going up without retracing. Okay, they had a breakout on 7th of July, then every day jalan up. Okay, they even break above the last year October and December resistance, which is somewhere around 455, and currently trading at 485, and also they filled the gap here. Okay, they had the gap down on August 2024. Wow, very strong at the moment, but I see they push out without any retracement, also a little bit dangerous. Okay, but so far yet to show any sign of weakening lah, so I cannot comment too much. So tentatively, maybe I will say 10 on 455 is your crucial support. Okay, today they just broken out above 480, so closing 485. So if I use 480 as a support, a bit too easy to gonna wipe off already lah, right? So maybe I will put at 475 as your maybe immediate support. Okay, so if happen, they can continue to rise up. Next is 520 and 550. Okay, provided your entry at the very low price, then okay lah, you can fight for more profit. But for the fresh entry, no lah, of course. Okay, so next one is a 3人，三个人啦。finally they have a better movement Okay, even though yesterday they have a very high volume, okay, compared with the past few weeks, but the closing for yesterday a bit weak. Okay, today okay lah, at least they close higher, so they erase the losses already. Okay, so far 3人 I will say they are pending for a big move. Okay, the big move is pending to break out 290 lah. Okay, if no break, no story. Okay, we can see ever since they tested the bottom somewhere around 205. Okay, now the shape macam ini lah. Okay, so potentially create a triple bottom. But for the confirmation, we need a solid breakout above 290, baru ada story. Otherwise, they can sideways very long. Okay, so let me see. Momentum okay. So pending for the breakout also. Okay, so this one pending BO lah. I put as a remarks. So yeah, you guys can refer lah. In case in future we are not going to do live already, then you still can refer. Okay, so Suncon. Sankon, the MACD getting weaker. Okay, the price not really moving anywhere, so be aware with the potentially with a potential retracement. Okay, so tentatively I will put a support at the 570. Okay, so they are still in the sideways zone. If they break below 570, then short term tak cantik lah. Okay, maybe they might have a further correction. Okay, but if you are long term holders, yeah, they are still long term going uptrend. Just on and off, they will have some deeper correction only. Okay, this counter is still above 200 MA, so depends on your why you buy this into this company. Okay, trading or you want to do investing. Okay, if investing, I think they are still in a good shape. Only short term they might face some selling pressure lah. Okay, the trend not yet changed to downtrend. Okay, only short term I seeing potentially may have a deeper correction, just like that only lah. Okay, how about the YTL power? Okay, these few days they not really jalan lah, but they are still in a good shape. So far they are still above 4 ringgit. So nothing much to comment, still okay. Okay, just boring only lah. Okay, tak begitu jalan banyak. So turn on your immediate support as 4 ringgit. And for me, if they one day break down below 350, then tak cantik already lah. Okay, so based on here, you turn on your S1 will be 4 ringgit, S2 370 375, S3 350. If they go below 350, tak cantik already lah. Okay, and this one is your warning lah. 375, 370 is your warning. Okay, stay above 4 ringgit. I will say they are short term. They are still pretty strong. And turn on your overhead resistance, which is a 444, 444, and 4455 lah. Okay, so so far still alright lah. Okay, so far still alright. Okay, Bruce indicator Maybank. Okay, let's go for the banks. Still in the bad shape. Okay, I think banking bank sector I have been mentioned that previously. I think past few weeks I do mention bank sector not doing that well. So they for Maybank they already broken down 200 MAs, dive down. Even the rebound you can see no strength, continue to drop down. So based on here, you can see the overall momentum for recent months not doing that well. Okay, so for me, I would prefer wait around here, which is 930. Okay, somewhat today closing is a full bar bearish lah. Based on here, I think 930 will be your S1, 9 ringgit is your S2. Okay, and now currently, okay, the trend is still favorable to the bear lah. So yeah, no harm. You can KIV at 932 or 920. Okay, one of the reason you can see back in the 9th of April. Okay, the Maybank extreme level is somewhere around 930 lah. Okay, 932 lah. So you can see at least, okay, from here we can see, okay, they try to defend this level lah. Okay, even though back in last year August, they also defend this level. So I hope, okay, 930, 932 is one of the good support lah. Okay, so KIV there lah, KIV there. Okay, how about the RHB Bank? Also tak cantik already, RHB Bank. Previously when I reviewed, okay, I do mention they are still struggle at the here, okay, 200 MAs. So today they have a solid breakdown. Okay, they already broken down 630, broken down 620. So based on the breakdown, the next support will be the 6 ringgit level lah. So based on here, you can see a not so nice, but you can say it's a double top. Okay, double top, and today looks like a breakdown lah. Okay, based on the double top breakdown, they could go even lower. Okay, but I want to say with KIV on the 6 ringgit first. If they fail to hold 580 and 560. Okay, so far I think based on the momentum now, the downside is there lah. Okay, still got downside lah. Okay, the bear is still in control. So yeah, for those who want to buy into those banking, I think still got chance lah. Okay, maybe can get a better price. Okay, so for Aeon Credit, they already downtrend since last year. Okay, when they break below the 660, which is also 200 MAs, and we can see recently they break down 550. Currently breaking down 535. Okay, today closing 533. So the bear is in full control. The bear is still very bearish. Okay, so the next support would be the 522 and 5 ringgit. Okay, so but this one they last year already downtrend Okay, last year already tak cantik compare with other bankings. Other bankings this year baru not so nice, especially this few months they baru tak cantik. This one early tak cantik already. So I think when others come back they will take some time lah. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay, next one from Choi Liang, okay, which is Penta. Penta is still okay lah. Penta 10 note 328 is a 200 MAs and the important support. So if the price able to stay above 328, I think they are still they still have a chance to make a comeback. Okay, just like what happened back in the last year May, when they stay above 200 MAs, they still got some upside. Okay, but once they break down 200 MAs, they will turn into downtrend. Okay, so hopefully this time can sustain. But if you look back on the previous trend, macam quite similar lah. Maybe they will have some short-term rally, but if they are unable to stay, no game, no. So 328 is a crucial level. Okay, crucial support. Okay, Netgate Okay, Netgate. Macam buyer seller. Let me see on the smaller time frame. Okay, yesterday Tuesday 2:30 time they kena. Okay, 1215 still okay. This one 2:30. Okay, 1215 to 1230. So after lunchtime they kena gap down. Okay, let me see on the 5-minute charts anything Okay, what we can see here, even though they have a gap down, but there are support over there. Right, you can see got volumes. So seems like the buyer still have a little bit sound confident with them lah. Okay, yeah, even though the daily chart looks like I would say it's more on like indecisive a bit. Okay, so for this Netgate, I would say 10 on 140. If the closing price remain above 140, maybe still boleh. But if the closing price close below 140, tak cantik already. Okay, means they just play rebound trade and they already cabut. Okay, if you look back at what happened back in 29th of May, they also have a similar pattern. You can see they have a similar pattern. But the price still able to sustain above 140, stay above, then jalan balik. Okay, now kena whack down, supported. Okay, if history repeat, maybe they will struggle for a couple of days, then maybe boleh jalan balik lah. But if they close below 140, sorry already lah, tak cantik already lah. Okay, so now for me is also a 50-50 chance. And yeah, as long as you know where is your stop loss, then okay already lah. Below 140, I think we need to admit our losses already. Okay, and yeah, below 140, if closing price below 140, then susah already, a bit susah. Okay, how about the MRCB? Okay, MRCB back in 9th of July, they have a big run up. Okay, big spike up. Then market already retraced diam already. Especially today, also more on the a bit selling pressure lah. But not until they will change the trend Just in my opinion, is they pump out too much. Maybe they need to clear out those weak holders. Okay, even though my ideal level for them to stay is a 535, today closing below 525 already lah. So I would say they are no longer that strong momentum, but maybe they will go sideways and wait for them to stabilize. Okay, 10 note 515, 50 cents. Okay, if they go below 50 cents, no game at all. Okay, stay above 50 cents is still okay, but hopefully they don't go below 50 cents. Below 50 cents, the overall momentum will very weak. Okay, now my minimal requirement, okay, I hope that okay they can stay above 515 at least. Okay, then still will have some momentum to pump out. Okay, how about the AGMO? Okay, AGMO this few days still diam lah, not really jalan. Okay, so but for me it's still in a good shape. Okay, because previous pump out you can see they also sideways ma, right? This one pump out they also need some sideways ma. So yeah, they are pending for the next breakout low. 520 535 would be the next resistance for them to break. Okay, once they break, then they boleh jalan to upside lah, maybe to 565. Okay, PBB. Let me see. Okay. Okay, I assume it's this one, PBB. Not in a good shape. Rebound also fear. So, this one no game leh. Okay. This one no game leh. Still in the bearish sentiment and potentially go to 9 ringgit level. So yeah, the bear is in control. Okay, how about the Greatech? Okay, Greatech also not really jalan that much leh. Okay, so diam, but yeah, 10.165 loh. Stay above is still okay loh. Breakdown then tak cantik loh. Okay, not really jalan lah. As we all know, today our market sentiment also so ni tak begitu cantik. Okay, what happened to 998? I think on Monday I do mention, right? Either you can jump in or wait for the breakout. Okay, so the Tuesday give you a breakout already lah. Breakout 110, breakout 108. Okay, what happened today? Today market open gap up, close lower. Okay, looks like some profit taking activities lah. Okay, so at least on Tuesday they show us a solid breakout already. So based on here, just matter of how could you are lah, whether you want to queue ngam at 110 or you don't mind. Okay, you just wait at 112 or you just grab the chance lah. Okay, so based on here, since they are okay, this consider a breakout. So any price okay, as long as they don't close below 108, I would say the breakout consider valid. Okay, but if they close below 108, I would say fear already low. Maybe they will come back down to $100. So take note. I don't know whether they want to wash down further or not, but at least I know our cut loss is below 108. Okay, this is we consider them as a breakout trade lah. Okay, next one, Carlsberg. Wow, sudden sell down. Yesterday is still okay. The day before yesterday, still cantik one. But today they break down below 1850. For me, tak begitu cantik lah. So technically tak cantik lah, because they broken down below 1850. And next level is 18 ringgit and 1750. So based on today breakdown, memang tak begitu cantik. Okay, big problem from Netgate now. I think just a news lah. Okay, from what I read from the news is the incident was the sub company lah. Okay, imagine your company is very big, then your small company got issue, then maybe the sentiment will affected your mother company lah. Okay, so I don't know how big is the impact, but if it is just a sub company, I think not really a very big deal in my opinion. Okay, so yeah, wait for the next few days. We see the price whether they can sustain above 140 like that lah. If can, I think should be no issue already lah. Okay, but this year this Netgate quite suay punya. They kena wash down. First time was due to, okay, I know one time was due to the Nvidia. Okay, they say, yeah, Nvidia incidents. Another is a deep seat. Okay, now is a case lah, right? So wah, pun macam banyak issue Okay, but I think this time, yeah, we still need to see the price above 140, then okay lah. Okay, I don't want to factor in too many things Okay, we trust the price lah. Stay above, then okay, break below, then yeah, break below, then give out lah. Okay, so this one SSB8, so far the structure is still building up quite good leh. Okay, they've been sideways since March until now. Okay, and today attempt to break up, but macam not really able to close above lah. Even though you can see they have good volumes, but not really able to close above. Okay, but overall I think they do have potential lah. MACD also crossed up already. Okay, there has been sideways here so long. Recently volume improved sikit. So this one I still need a solid breakout. Even though today closed 50 cents, I need them to close above 50 cents. Okay, means 510 515 like that Okay, with higher volume, then okay, we can consider them as a solid breakout. Okay, I don't want just like here back in the March. They macam also ada volume push up, but the next day kena wash down. So then continue sideways. So consider not really a breakout. So today okay, the next few days I need them to close above. Then baru boleh jalan mah. Hatta Khosan. Okay, I saw somebody also ask about the glove top 4 Okay, let's go lah. We terus review these 4 counters. Let me scroll back. Tak cantik leh. Okay, top glove tak cantik yet leh. Okay, they already broken down one of the crucial level, which is a 70 cents level. Any comment to buy low on glove stocks like Khosan Supermax top glove? Okay, another is looking for support for Hatta and Khosan now. So we just straight away review this 4 counters lah. Okay, based on here, I still haven't see any hope yet leh. Okay, unless they show us a bullish candle with volumes lah, then maybe we can try for some rebound trade lah. Okay, yeah, even though back in 8th of July they have not 8th of July 7th of July they have support at 670, but today close at 670 with volumes. Let me see on the 5-minute charts. 925. Okay, for the globe, I need you to monitor 670. If the next few days they are still able to stay above 670, yeah, maybe this is a potential rebound area lah. But if tomorrow close below 670, then straight away it can give out already lah. The next support could be 60 cents level. But for me, this one is a guessing game. Like you are guessing where's the bottom lah. Okay, I prefer to see some signal first, then I only plan to go in lah. So this one tunggu lah. I think better wait lah. Hatta also tak cantik. Okay, today broke above 150. Okay, and their next support 140 loh is the 2023 2022 punya support 140. They are getting worse If technical no buy signal at all. Okay, we only can refer to historical low to find a support only. Okay, 140 lah for Hatta. How about the Khosan? Also tak cantik. Okay, broken down below 140 already. Today closing 132. So based on here, what we can see, okay, this is a 2023 July punya support 122. Okay, the bear is still in full control. Low can be lower, cheap can be cheaper. Okay, so if 122 fail to hold, they might go to 1 ringgit or even lower. Okay, even Hatta, Supermax. Okay, I would say out of these 4, Supermax slight better sikit. Okay, due to and they have some volumes on 8th of July lah. Okay, maybe fundamentally, okay, they have a better location. Okay, so for Supermax, okay, they also weak, but at least we can refer to 580 lah. Okay, this one due to they have volumes on this date. So recently just some maybe they are washing those impatient holders. So based on here, I hope that they can stay above 580. Stay above, maybe they have a better chance. But if they close below, sama with their kawan already lah. Also, tak cantik. Next level is 50 cents. So based on here, I guess I will give some chance to Supermax, but be prepared to cut loss as well lah. Below 580, tak cantik already lah. Okay, so Glove, I don't think they have chance now lah. Okay, we still need to wait for some solid signal lah. Okay, Tan Chong today spike out a lot. Okay, they also broken up. 585 with volumes. Okay, where's their next resistance? Okay, R1, right? So yeah, previously they are just how to say they are just in liquid counters. Okay, actually today they hit a R1 810, or we can say it's a 820 lah. Okay, this was a 2024 punya support, turn resistance. 820 90 cents will be your R1 R2. Okay, so based on here, let me see on pump out or some profit taking 425 there. So for this one, I would say take note on 730 lah. Okay, stay above 730. I think the momentum is still bullish lah, but close below, then you can consider to do some trading stop already. HE Group still got chance. I think yes lah. Okay, but seems like they faces some profit takings or faces some selling pressure when the price push up to 380. Okay, so they still got chance, just that looks a bit struggle lah. Okay, looks a bit struggle to go up. Okay, how about the Sendai? Sendai tak cantik lah. Sendai break down below the 445 already. So tentatively, yeah, even though back in the 1st of July, they have volume pump out, but today washed down already. So they might go to 420 or even lower. Okay, Sendai no chance yet. Next G we covered already. We go for the Emulus neutral. But I would say Emulus, even though okay, what I can comment is Emulus just in a sideways lah. Since May until now, they are just sideways within the zone, pending for the break above or break below. So maybe you can write down the crucial resistance 310, 325. Okay, this is a resistance zone for the Emulus, and for the support 275. Okay, if one day they break down below 275, tak cantik already. Okay, if they are able to break above this zone, they might have a big comeback. Okay, need to break up or break down lah. Okay, so how about the E and O? Okay, E and O, what we can see on 9th of July, they have a breakout. Then jalan-jalan, and I think on Monday, Monday I do mention this is a resistance zone. 895 920. Okay, but they didn't hit 920. They rejected down lah. Okay, so now they come back to retest the support. So for E and O, maybe you need to write down lah. 865 855. Okay, this is your support. If they go below, tak cantik lah. Okay, if they stay above, still got chance. Okay, and for the resistance 920, is the next resistance for them to break up. Okay, so yeah, need to write down in case oh, this quite solar straight. This counter is quite difficult to read leh. Okay, macam playing the musical chair. The volume very consistent and the chart looks a bit weird like that. Okay, but at least they are slowing pumping up lah. Okay, tenor on 560 and 565 as your immediate resistance. Okay, so how about the next one? VS sorry, wrong country Malaysia. Yeah, VS still alright lah. Just that you can see they are still damn no, not really going anywhere. Okay, so this one maybe I will put the support for them 815 80 cents. Okay, stay above. I think they are still have chance to come back. Okay, just that you can see recently they don't have much transaction. Okay, if they break below 80 cents, then a bit susah lah. Maybe they might go back to 750 level. Okay, next one. Okay, review Gamuda UUE Glove we review already What I see susah leh. Okay, still susah. Okay, Gamuda is still okay lah. Gamuda. Okay, even though yesterday they break below 5 ringgit but today recovered lah. Okay, closing 530. So for Gamuda, they are still in a good shape lah. Especially for short term they are still above 20 MA leh. So I think still okay. Okay, maybe you write down on 475 is one of the important support for the Gamuda lah. Stay above, I think short term, mid term still alright. Okay, but if they break below, then maybe they will go sideways or not so strong. Okay, and the next one is a 435. Okay, 435 is deciding on whether they going to game over or not. Okay, so maybe you can write now lah, in case one day we no longer review, then okay, you know my levels. Okay, so next one is UUE. Okay, UUE is still alright, especially today got volumes and today they break above a 540. Okay, I will put a little bit down for the support. I will put at the I will put at the 830 for the resistance. Okay, volume is there and today they do have a breakout. So based on the momentum trend wise, I think still in a good shape. And tenor on the very ultimate resistance which is a 915 level. So this one I think okay. Okay, for glove stocks I would prefer wait for them to have some at least they let them rebound once and retrace. We only consider to do anything. Okay, because when they sell down the low can be lower, cheap can be cheaper. Okay, when the team is not there they very susah to come back lah. Okay, even with a good news if the trend is a bearish lah, even though with a good news also a bit susah to come. So need to have more patience lah. Even though you tell people now got COVID they also cannot come back Okay, susah a bit Okay, how about the GCB? GCB still tak cantik lah. Okay, if you interested, you turn on your immediate support 110. Okay, still in the bear mode. Let me see POS. Post, if you are interested, turn on 245. Cut loss below 235. Okay, Yona Oma. Okay, Ambulance I just covered, so I guess they are still okay until they break down lah. If they break down, then tak cantik already lah. Okay, so just now I put 275 or 255 I couldn't remember already. Okay, 255 deciding on the overall structure lah. If below memang no game at all already 275 is a warning level. Okay, breakdown, then you need to prepare already lah. Tak begitu cantik already. Okay, now tentatively they are still in a sideways lah. So I would say the chances is still there. Just maybe timing lah. Okay, if you see all the tech counters not really performing, so no reason for them to push up sendiri right? So yeah, need some time lah. Okay, how about Kobe? Kobe also a bit weak 122 also broken down. Okay, Tenno on 118 lah, one of the crucial level, but it's weak. Okay, based on here, tentatively, Emulus looks better and Kobe is still struggle. Okay, still struggle, and they don't have much volumes. Okay, so maybe I will put 118. Cannot break lah, break tak cantik lah. Okay, Sunday cover ready. Econ Berhad lah. Okay, not yet game over. Okay, this one. Yesterday a bit profit taking, today sell down. Okay, so for Econ Berhad, Tenno on 375. Okay, below 375. Okay, below 375, no game. Okay, no game. Okay, stay above then okay lah. Okay, US stocks EOSE Okay, still okay leh. Okay, they are still above 200 MAs. Momentum boleh tahan. 420 lo important no. 420 and $4. Okay, crucial support for discounters. Okay, but one thing to take note is they also have a gap resistance here, 590 like that. Okay, so what we can see, the high is higher, so I think it's still okay. And the low is higher as well, so I guess it's still alright. But they do have a gap down back then, right? So for them to make a comeback, they need to clear 590, only consider safe. Okay, they need to clear, only consider safe. Otherwise, a bit dangerous. Okay, so Tenno on 590, they need to clear above. And yeah, if happen they go below 420, then tak cantik already lah. Okay, will you consider having a technical analysis review session for channel members starting from August? I'm not so sure about the arrangement from Sifu side, so wait for them to restructure their business and direction. Okay, then maybe they will make an announcement lah. Okay, so I am just helping them for the Monday and Wednesday live session only. Okay, so yeah, maybe wait for the updates from Sifu side lor. Okay, but I try my best lah. If any question, okay, and yeah, maybe you can join my Telegram and ask in the comment. So if I saw the message, I will try to answer lah. Okay, so next one is Tenaga. Tenaga, okay, currently at one of the support, I think, which I mentioned on Monday, 1370. Okay, today closing 1368. Okay, for me, Tenaga, a more attractive level would be a 13 ringgit or 1250. Okay, this is a more attractive level lah. Okay, provided there are more uncertainty in the market, something like that, then when they crash down, then you can grab lah. Okay, IOIPG recently made a strong comeback. So your support will be a 220 or 210. Okay, S1, S2. So you can see these two levels as your S1, S2. Okay, 220, 210. CIMB. Oh, continue dive down. Okay, CIMB also early tak cantik already lah. Here also got a triple top. Okay, they broken down on March okay, and also broke 200 MAs. You can see they dive down further. When they rebound, no strength. Okay, continue diving down. So based on here, okay, previous rebound level for CIMB is 628. Okay, so we see 628 as our first support and yeah, bear in control. Okay, so you can see most finance sector not doing well lah. Okay, finance sector tentatively not doing well. So yeah, maybe you can wait for opportunity to get at the cheaper price. Okay, wait lah. Okay, bear is still in control lah. Genitech tak cantik lah, broken down below 860 already. So next level is 80 cents and 685. Okay, but tak cantik lah, this one previously when review I do mention they are weakest among their peers. Okay, so yeah, wait lah. Okay, this one the bear is still in full control SNS still okay diam tak jalan Okay, so take note write down important level 520 520 cannot break down. Okay, once break down no more 520 so take note this level 520 stay above there still okay. Okay, just matter of you can see since end of June there has been sideways here okay, not really going anywhere. Okay, and one of the reason is they are resisted by 560 so you can see since 18th of June. Okay, today 16th of July already, so means they has been in this zone for 1 month already. Okay, pending for the breakout with volumes, then maybe got chance challenge here. Breakdown 520 no game Okay, sudah habis So this one SNS we also can put a pending breakout pending VO. Okay, CMB we covered already. We go for the MN holding. Put the full name MN holding hit support hit resistance already 158. Okay, so tentatively you can set your trading stop 150. Stay above is still alright. Close below then secure your profit also can Okay, but for me if you want to take partial profit also no harm Okay, if you are trader if you are trading. If you are long term, mid term, then no issue ITMAX is still boring sideways Yeah, I am seeing them a little bit weak. Okay, take note on 362 as your immediate support Okay, the trading range getting tight, very tight compared to here, you can see they have more range here. Now very tight. Okay, so maybe they are pending to going up or down. Okay, so maybe we can put a 380 or 362. Okay, breakout, then continue jalan up Breakdown, then 340, 320 Okay, so yeah, pending to break above or break below. Okay, how about the KGB? Wow, continue to spike out So they already broken out above 4 ringgit, so we can use a 4 ringgit as your immediate support or your trading stop. Okay, so based on here, what we can use. Wow, Fibonacci projection the next resistance is a 422. Actually today hit already Today high was a 421. The next one is a 522. I think a bit unrealistic for now If I set now a bit too far already. 422, 435 okay reasonable for currently. Okay, so make sure they are above 4 ringgit then okay already Okay, and Alliance. Oh, dah cantik This one also kena already. Okay, this one just broken down below 18 ringgit. So this one you also can see beginning of this year kena back down already. Then when they rebound, struggle here, not able to clear 1880 sideways. And today show us a clearer picture, which they want to break down below 18 ringgit Okay, unless tomorrow they recover above 18 ringgit. Otherwise, we may seeing them to revisit maybe 17 ringgit. Okay, so how about the E-frame? Oh, this one susah trade No chance Okay, even though short term, also short term chance This one quite. You see how they draw the chart they can pump out for a few days. Then every day give you a chance macam chance every day slow down, sell down. Okay, rebound, continue sell down. Okay, so this one even rebound also just a short-term trade only. Okay, so for me skip is better Okay, Kwon Liu let me see KBJ. Yeah. Okay, KBJ for me, long-term trend, they are still in the upside. Okay, only short-term, and they are looking a bit weak. Okay, 20 MA cross 50, 20 MA cross 100 MAs. So short-term showing some weakening. Okay, but long-term is still alright. So crucial level, maybe we need to see here. Okay, 240, 250. Okay, this is a crucial zone for the KPJ. You can see there are more transaction here, even though here they got supported. Okay, some more in conjunction with the 200 MAs. Okay, if the price penetrate below 240, tak cantik already lah. Okay, even long term also faces a bigger correction. Okay, but if the price can get supported, then okay lah, maybe they still got chance to make a comeback. Okay, if you don't mind, this one may looks a little bit like a mini head and shoulder lah. Okay, if happen they break down, then we may expect a bigger correction. Okay, maybe to 220 or 2 ringgit level. Okay, this also possible lah. Okay, so next one is Puppy Bank. Okay, Netgate we covered lah. Netgate. Puppy Bank yet to break down. Okay, but I don't know it's on the way or not lah. You can see they also break down, retest, not able to clear, now come back down to retest. Okay, so for Puppy Bank, take note on the crucial support 415, 420. Okay, this one they need to hold well lah. If hold, means they are still in a sideways zone ma, right? But if they break down, means they break from the sideways zone. Okay, they may go down even lower than don't want to say too far lah. Okay, we say 4 ringgit first lah. If they break below 415, 4 ringgit, 380 will be your S1, S2. Okay, National Gate just now we covered already. So yeah, same story, we wait lah. Okay, for me now is like 10 on 140 cannot close below. Okay, if they close below, tak cantik already. Okay, this is a Netgate. And how about the HL Hong Leong Industry? Okay, this one long term consider is a uptrending counters lah. So far you can see back in March and April they do tested 200 MAs and rebounded. So if you refer back, your 200 MAs is 1320. Okay, how about the CDB, Celcom DG? Oh, long time no see. I thought Axiata very good. Let me see. Yeah, Axiata, yeah, now challenging a 255 level. Yeah, because I saw from the alerts, every day show me Axiata macam keep going up. But yeah, okay lah. Okay, Celcom DG. Okay, at least these they are turning uptrend. 20, 50, 100, 200 MAs is sloping up. Okay, only today faces some bigger selling pressure, but I think the trend is still there. Okay, so yeah, most importantly, they need to stay above 365 lah. Then cantik already. Okay, this line I can cancel. Yeah, if happen, they can go up further. 10 on 4 ringgit as your immediate resistance. Okay, so this one, oh, but they do have a little bit divergence. So 365 is very crucial. Breakdown then tak cantik loh. Stay above, I think is still alright lah. Okay, how about the Franken? Franken is still okay. Let me see. Yeah, only I think due to our local tech sector, macam I think it's also partially due to the tariff lah. They also dare not to push out. Okay, despite you can see, if you look into the US market, actually Nasdaq is creating new high. Okay, and Dow Jones all new highs. Supposedly our tech counters should follow the sentiment, but not really lah. Not really. Okay, but at least the performance for Franken is better than their peers already. Because the price is above all moving averages. Okay, it's still above 200 MAs. So for me, they are okay. Okay, they are okay. So 4 ringgit and 380. Okay, maybe we can use a 380 as the turning point. Okay, stay above still okay. Break below, they might turn into downtrend. Okay, so 10.380, 4 ringgit, S1, S2, and 380 cannot break down lah. Once break down, maybe tak cantik. Okay, last one is a IHH. Hospital. Whoa, tak cantik. No people go hospital, man. Okay, so IHH recently broken down. Okay, back in the April, broken down below 200 MAs. Rebound, not successfully. Continue dive down. Okay, based on here, yeah, of course, you can see long term discounters is consider going up lah. Long term discounter is upside one. Okay, only once a while they will go sideways lah. So yeah, based on the past history, okay, if we learn back what happened back in the 2022 to 2023 until 2024, okay, what we can see here, market also broken down below 200 MAs, sideways, right? Then they rise. Okay, now the pattern looks like here. Okay, let me put this one. Okay, if you look this pattern macam here. Okay, they also broken down 200 MAs macam here. Okay, what we can expect is maybe if they go sideways here, okay, one day when they have a turning point, okay, maybe they will rally up lah. So whether it's depending, you want to wait for a confirmed uptrend, only jump in, or you just collect low also can. Okay, so for me, your immediate support tentatively you can take note on the 630, 640. Okay, 630, 640. Okay, next one, Sim Debbie. Still in the bad shape, to be honest, still in the bad shape. But if you're interested, your cut loss is below 160 lah, maybe 158 is your cut loss. Okay, current price with your cut loss below 160. Okay, I still see them not so strong, but if you're interested, yeah, because they have been supported here for quite long already. So yeah, if you want to guess on the potential bottoming, yes, with your cut loss below 160. Okay, next one is ATAC. ATAC still in the sideways. Okay, ATAC you can see they are still in the sideways zone, and now they are at the resistance. Current price, okay, 116. Okay, is your resistance. Okay, but if we look into the bigger pictures, at least this ATAC is in the uptrending. Okay, only recent years 2024 until now, so they has been sideways. If you look into the bigger pictures 2024 until now, they are still in the macam sideways zone. Okay, on the bright side is the price is above all moving averages, so meaning the chances for breaking up is there. Okay, so I think yeah, still ada chance lah. Okay, so yeah, above 107 short term momentum still okay. For this one below 1 ringgit no game. Okay, so thank you everyone for tuning in with us, and also thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live chat. For those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. And yeah, please do join my Telegram channel. So if there's any updates, I will announce in the Telegram lah. So this will be our last few session until further notice. Okay, so yeah, please do share the link and join our live session more often. Okay, it's I think last 4 session already lah. So yep. So yeah, anything just scan this QR, and anything you can ask in the comment box lah. Okay, so that's all for tonight, and see you next Monday. Thank you everyone.